Hi everyone, so let's do to this question. Logger rate limiter. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so let's read the question. Design a logger system that receives a stream of messages along with the timestamps. Mm, Design a logger system that receives a stream of messages along with their timestamps. So this is logger and it is receiving time. Each unique message should only be printed at most every 10 seconds, i.e., a message printed at timestamp t will prevent other identical messages from being printed until timestamp t plus 10. Okay, so all the messages will come in chronological order. Several messages may arrive at the same timestamp. And implement the logger class should print message function returns true if the message should be printed in the given timestamp, otherwise false. Okay, so output is this is logger and this is the message. So this comes along with its timestamp, right? This is foo and 1 is the timestamp, and this is bar and 2 is the timestamp. Foo 3 is the timestamp. 8 bar 8 is the timestamp. So yeah, so in the beginning foo it is printed true, bar is true, foo is false because every unique message should only be printed at most every 10 seconds, right? So message printed at time t will prevent other identical messages from being printed until timestamp t plus 10. So this will be false, and 8 bar this would be bar also it was printed here, so it should be false. This 4 it was printed here at the timestamp 1. This is the timestamp 2 10, so 10 minus 1 will be still 9. So and 11 minus 1 is 10, so this is true. Every timestamp will be passed in a non-decreasing order in chronological order. Message that length it goes from 1 to 30. At most in the per 4 calls will be made to should print message. Okay, so how can I do this then? Um, This is 1 true. This is 11. mm, for every so one easy way is to create store in a hash map, right? So if foo is already there, then I can just say that okay, foo has come, so next will be 11, and bar has already come up, so bar is next will be, since it is at 2, so next will be at 12 only, and foo has already come here, so foo is already here, and we can see that it came in timestamp 3, so it is not less than equal to, so bar is 12, and then again there is another bar, so it is still 8, not greater than 12, and foo is 10, 11 is 4, so since it is less, so it will now we will operate this to 21. So that way, that this is one way, right? Just to create a hash map and then do it. Is this question that easy? Not sure. Is it that easy? It's my question. Let's try to implement. First of all, let's look at the solution. Q plus set. Why do we need Q plus set? Why do we need Q? As table is fine, yeah. One should combine. So idea is that we keep a hash table with the message as key and its timestamp as the value. The hash table keeps all the unique messages along with the latest timestamp that the message was printed. And that's what I was saying. Okay, so since we know that this is the solution, yeah, that's what I was saying. Why would you even come up with this, Okay, so let's solve. I just wanted to quickly look at the solution because I want to make sure that that is the best solution before coding. So logger is equal to function logger that prototype that should print message is equal to function timestamp message. What should I do here? So I think I should create a hash map here. This dot hash map is equal to, I'll just initiate, this is from map from okay, I'll just rename it later. Okay, so but for now I'll just say that it is hash map, and yeah, so if I so the key will be message, and time and value will be latest timestamp. Latest valid timestamp. Okay, so if I just check if this message has this message or not. If it has that message, then constant this will be my valid timestamp, right? And I'll just check if it is greater or equal to this timestamp, then only then it's written true. But before returning true, I can just update this message to this timestamp plus 10. But if it does not have, then If it does not have that, then I will have to and then return false. Null, true, true, false, false. Oh, what did I do? If this has a message, actually, if it does not have, then I should return true every time. In this case, I should return false. Uh, if this has a message, then return true. Return false, yeah, exactly. Return false immediately. Yeah, what I can do actually here is I don't have to do this. I can just say if it is less than valid timestamp, then return false. Right? If valid timestamp is present and if it is present and this is greater than, then return false. Yeah. So if it is present, there is some valid timestamp, and if we see that this timestamp is less, then return false immediately. Otherwise, we just update and return true. Yay! Let's look at the solution. First of all, dictionary is empty. Uh, yeah, this is similar, but I thought that okay, instead of returning true like this, we can just say that this is one condition when we return false. Otherwise, we'll always return true and then update this, right? So yeah, I thought this was more concise. We still have 6 minutes. OMG. So what is the time complexity? Let's think about that. So space complexity and time complexity. What if I just use late here? Would it work? No? Okay. I just wanted to know the syntax. So I should always use this. Okay. So what is the space complexity and time complexity? Time complexity should be of 1, right? Because we are only updating, only doing, we are only using ASMAP, and it does not take time to look up ASMAP. And the space complexity should be the size of the ASMAP, and the size of the ASMAP will be, if everything is unique, then it will increase as this message will increase. So lookup is takes constant time, update also takes constant time, and M is the size of all incoming messages here, right? Wow, this is such an easy question. So what should we do for the rest of 4 minutes? Um, I don't know. Let's look at top interview 50 questions. Interesting. Study plan, introduction to pandas, 30 days of JavaScript, SQL 50, lead code 75. What is the difference between lead code 75 and okay, interesting. So it is lead code 75 contains the in different category maximum number of vowels in a substring of a given length. Interesting questions. After this time is up, I'll go and eat. I'll go and have a meal because I'm really hungry and it is way past my sleep time. I was sleepy before 1 hour, but since I had to do lit code questions, so I am still awake. But like I said before, I will really try to finish this lit code work very early in the day, in the morning, or until at least during afternoon. So what else? Lit codes interview crash course, lit codes interview crash course, top interview questions. So this is the system design. Backtracking. Oh my god. I don't think that this used to be locked for premium members before. Now I have to buy. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, my time is up. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Good night, good day, if in another part of the world.